Have you ever eaten something so bold, so briny, so unapologetically loud? You had to stop and ask, who invented this chaos? And why does it taste so good? Well, let's talk about a pasta with a name so scandalous it made Italian grandmothers cross themselves. Pasta alla puttanesca. Yes, that, puttanesca. But don't let the name fool you. Behind the sauce is a story of war, hunger, and the kind of culinary rebellion that could only come from one place. Naples, 1942. Welcome to Once Upon a Dish. Because something delicious happened. World War II is in full swing. Naples is occupied, bombed, rationed, and, as always, stubbornly alive. Food, gone. Markets, empty. The government, missing in action. And yet, deep in the Spanish Quarter, a woman stands in a crumbling kitchen. Her pantry, nearly bare. But she's got garlic, tomatoes from a neighbour's window garden, a fistful of capers, some black olives, a few anchovies smuggled in by sailors, and heat, both from her stove and her frustration. Now, this isn't the kind of cooking you see on food TV. There's no mise en place, no sprigs of parsley standing at attention. There's just survival, and maybe a little vengeance. She tosses garlic in oil. The smell punches the air. She mashes tomatoes like they owe her money. In go the anchovies. They melt, salty, secretive. Capers, olives, chili flakes. She's not measuring. She's fighting. Then the pasta joins the party. And just like that, something unexpected happens. A dish. A real one. Savory, spicy, strange, but kind of genius. Legend says the name came next. And fast. Puttanesca. Which, yes, roughly translates to of the ladies of the night. But here's the thing. It wasn't an insult. It was a wink. A middle finger to fascism. The pasta was quick, cheap, and had attitude, just like the people who made it. In the dark corners of Naples, pasta alla puttanesca was both dinner and protest. The war ended, but the sauce? It marched on. From Naples to Rome, Rome to Paris, Paris to, you guessed it, every diner and deli on the planet. Spain added garlic. France squeezed lemon. The English, in classic English fashion, added mustard and acted like they invented the whole thing. By the 1950s, pasta alla puttanesca was on menus and on the tongues of people who had no idea they were tasting a bit of wartime rebellion. Now here's the mystery. Did this dish truly come from desperate Neapolitan women in wartime? Or had it been around for centuries, bubbling quietly in kitchens no one ever bothered to document? The truth is, we may never know. But that's the beauty of food. It carries stories, even when the names are forgotten. So the next time you twirl up some puttanesca, or make your own wild, briny, glorious variation, remember, you're not just eating pasta. You're eating a recipe that outlived bombs, dictators, and food snobs. And hey, what's your go-to survival recipe? Share it in the comments. Whether it's your grandma's 3-ingredient miracle or your own midnight invention. Let's keep the stories going. This was Once Upon a Dish, where history tastes better with sauce. Bon appétit!